G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today I'll be painting another salamander. This first salamander was the first model I painted on my channel, and I thought today for my 1 year anniversary I'd paint another one. These were the original paints that I used for my first marine, but instead of that last colour I'm going to use a darker green just to push the contrast a little bit. As you can see, it's quite a bit darker, as the other two were too close in values. Now, this is an assault intercessor. All of the accessories on him were from Dungeons and Lasers, apart from some chains and a little bit of rope, which is just a thick cotton. The process in which I paint him is the same as my first model, and there'll be a link up in the card above to my very first video I did. So right now, just base coated my model, did a dry brush of my mid-tone with a finer brush, just gave it a little bit more defined in some of the highlighted areas. And then just ran my brightest tone over the very edges too. With my brown, I'm just going to paint all the bits that I want to be gold or silver and give them a brown undertone. With my old gold, just going to give them a very heavy dry brush. Well, it's not really a dry brush. I'm painting with my dry brush just to cover the area, leave the recesses mostly dark, but still get nearly all of the surface. I'm just going to do one pass with the brush and then leave it at that. Now this guy was just a standard assault intercessor from the new assault intercessor box. So I've got 10 marines and my aim is to make them all a bit more custom. So my first box of intercessors I made into some pop culture characters, which I've still got a few more to do. And with these ones I'm just trying to make them a bit more ornate. So you don't need to spend a lot of money on a captain. If you enjoy converting models, which is my favourite part, you can make quite a nice captain with just a standard intercessor. So the box for me was $98, but if you were to buy a captain, they're often $60 each, and that's just crazy. So I painted this one as my 1 year anniversary model. So I started YouTube last year in July the 14th, and this year I decided I was going to paint another salamander in homage to my first model that I painted and put onto YouTube, because I thought it'd be a nice touch. Also, I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed. I just 3 days before my 1 year anniversary made 100 subscribers. I didn't make the 100 subscribers. You guys are the subscribers. You know where you are made. But thank you for contributing to my channel and supporting me. And I really appreciate everything that you do. Thank you for the comments. I love hearing your thoughts on my work and your opinions on it. And I had a great time painting this guy. I hope you enjoy the end result. I do have a couple more salamanders to paint in this more dynamic style. Hope you enjoyed the end result, and I'll see you on the next one. Once again, thank you so much for joining in on me on my 1 year anniversary paint job. And I'll catch you on the next one.